Captains of Industry describes a group of entrepreneurs, inventors, and businessmen in the 1800s who acquired great wealth and success from their endeavors. The captains of industry were compassionate men who used their wealth and their influence in a positive way, making important contributions to the nation and to improve the lives of the American people.
The men who deserved to be called captains of industry were those who made a positive contribution to the nation by expanding markets and increasing trade, providing more jobs and increasing productivity.
Some owners of big businesses were typically called robber barons because they eliminated competition using ruthless methods.
Also, many of these men called the captains of industry were entrepreneurs who took risks developing the new inventions and technology during the era of the Industrial Revolution. Their determination and hard work earned them money, fame, and success. These were men of vision who guided and built new industries and made a significant contribution to the economy of the United States.
In the late 1800s, social Darwinism was used to justify the accumulation of great wealth and economic power.
Robber barons. The term robber barons was a term that applied to powerful, wealthy industrialists. But the captains of industry who did the railroads, the steel industry, and the tobacco industry, the oil industry, and the financiers who controlled the banks and used unfair business practices. The robber barons emerged during the United States Industrial Revolution of the 1800s.
Robber baron can be defined as a type of businessman in the 19th century. Sometimes a robber baron could be a business owner that's wealthy with monopoly power. For example, these people were businessmen who used exploitive practices to create their wealth.
But during the late 1800s, robber barons were accused of eliminating competition through predatory pricing and then overcharging when they had a monopoly.
These are examples of robber barons and captains of industry.
During the late 19th century, creating monopolies was a form of maximizing profits used by businesses. Robber barons impacted society in a negative way, and captains of industry impacted society in a positive way.